Welcome to the Joy Factory.
Hi, welcome to the Joy Factory. Hi, welcome to the Joy Factory.
Hi, welcome to the Joy Factory. Hello and welcome to the Joy Factory. That's what I call my classroom because in this classroom we manufacture joyful learning experiences. But as you can see, this classroom is not always in the same location. It can be just about anywhere, and that's part of the fun. I'm so excited to tell you all about this great new Aviation Afterschool program that we have starting soon. So check out some of the cool things that you'll learn and experience in this 8-week hybrid program with 4 aviation-themed field trips all over Long Island.